Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Insha'Allah, in today's class, we are going to learn about singular personal pronouns. Ana, I, huwa, he, hiya, she, anta, you. Ana. Ana is I, used for both masculine and feminine. Ana, I. Huwa, he, hiya, she. Repeat once again. Huwa, he, hiya, she. Anta, anti. You. Anta is used for masculine nouns and anti is used for feminine nouns. Anta, anti. أنا أتكلم إنجليزية. I speak English. أنا لا أتكلم الإنجليزية. I don't speak English. The difference between this sentence is أنا أتكلم I speak. أنا لا أتكلم I don't speak. But these sentences can be used for both masculine and feminine. أنت تتكلم الإسبانية. You speak Spanish. Masculine sentence. أنتِ تتكلمي الإسبانية. You speak Spanish. For feminine. So the difference of these two sentences are أنت تتكلم, أنتِ تتكلمي. أنت تتكلم الإسبانية. أنتِ تتكلمي الإسبانية. أنت لا تتكلم الإسبانية. You don't speak Spanish. أنتِ لا تتكلمي الإسبانية. You don't speak English. The difference is أنت لا تتكلم masculine. أنتِ لا تتكلمي feminine. لا تتكلم, لا تتكلمي. هو يتكلم الفرنسية. He speaks French. هو يتكلم الإسبانية. He speaks Spanish. So هو يتكلم. هي تتكلم الفرنسية. She speaks French. هي تتكلمي الإسبانية. She speaks Spanish. هي تتكلم. هي تتكلمي. Now let us move on to the dual plural personal pronouns. نحن, we. نحن, we. نحن is used commonly for masculine and feminine nouns. نحن, we. أنتما, you. أنتما is a dual form used for the second person, commonly used for feminine and masculine. أنتما, you. أنتما, you. أنتما سعيدان. You are happy. We are speaking about two person here. So Sa'idun is singular, Sa'idan. To make it dual, we use alif and noon. Sa'idan. You are happy. Qalamun, a single pen. Qalamani, it's a dual pen. So we add alif and noon to make a noun or an adjective into dual form. Qalamun, qalamani. Antum, antunna. It's a plural form. Antum is a masculine plural form. Antunna, it's a feminine plural form. The meaning is you. The masculine plural form is antum, you. And the feminine plural form is antunna, you. Antum muallimuna, you all are teachers. Antunna muallimatun, you all are teachers. Antum muallimuna. In masculine plural form, the nouns ends with waw and noon. Antunna muallimat. In feminine plural form, the noun ends with alif and ta. Huma, they. It is used for both masculine and feminine to indicate the dual forms. Huma, Arabiyan. They are Arabs. Huma, Arabiyatan. They are Arabs. Huma Arabiyan masculine. Huma Arabiyatan is feminine. Alif and noon is added at the end of the noun or adjective to indicate that it is representing two people or objects. So to make it dual, we have to add alif and noon along with the nouns. Hunna, they. Hum, they. Hunna is feminine and hum is masculine. It's a plural form. Hunna, they, hum, they. Hum muallimuna, they are teachers. Hunna muallimat, they are teachers. Masculine sounded plural nouns ends with waw and noon, and feminine sound plural nouns ends with alif and ta. Hum muallimuna, hum muallimatun, they are teachers. I hope all my children have understood the Arabic pronouns. Jazakallahu khairan. May Allah bless us all. Ameen.